In installing Windows 10 IoT Core, the hardware needed, first here I'm using Raspberry Pi 3 Model B, SD card of at least 16 GB, and this is very important to choose a high speed SD card. I prefer you choose one from the hardware compatibility list. Third, a device running Windows 10 to download the system on the SD card. Here from the download section of Windows 10 IoT Core website, download the Windows 10 IoT Core dashboard. This is it, and then run the downloaded setup.exe. From the confirmation dialog, go ahead and click on install. The application now will continue downloading the necessary files to install the dashboard. After the installation is finished, this window will appear, and then click on Run to run the dashboard. Here is the dashboard, and simply you can click on Setup a new device. Now you can sign in to your Microsoft account to download the latest build, which contains the latest features, and you can discover and participate of testing them. Or you can skip and download the latest stable release. Here I'll sign in with my account by entering my credentials, my email and password, and then will authorize the application to access my info. Next, let's get Windows 10 IoT on the device. Insert the SD card into your computer. For the device type, here I'm using Raspberry Pi 3B. If you have another device, you can choose it from this drop-down list. If you also have Raspberry Pi 3 Model B+, you may face a technical issue, and that will be discussed in the comments below or in the troubleshooting section. For now, let's proceed with Raspberry Pi 3B. From the OS build, you can choose the latest Windows Insider preview if you prefer to play around the latest features, or you simply can install the Windows 10 IoT Core. This is the stable version. Drive, this is your SD card. Make sure that you are using the right SD card and not to format another SD card with data on it. Device name to be recognized on the network, and then you can choose administrator password and confirm the chosen password by type it again. Then accept the software license terms and click on download and install button. The final confirmation, your SD card data will be erased if you have any on this SD card. To proceed, click on continue. The dashboard now will download the system, and it will take time depending on your internet connection speed. Later, after that, the dashboard will flash your SD card. Basically, it will copy all the operating system data to your SD card. When this process is finished, the Windows will display a dialog to format the SD card. Simply don't click on format, just click on cancel and eject the SD card and insert it into the Raspberry Pi.